Myntri ketenat sports ke Khuborjylla ba Shakler Warjri ulaong ba ke sorkar kadang bishar benya ya ki Jingtyrwa ba pha du MLA ke Mawryngkneng ba HS Kharpran na kebenta ban siang plang plastik ya ki madan nangta ke jingshna ya ke stadium ba ru ke jingker ya ki madan badon hakate kathan. Myntri ula pentip ru ba ki don da ki Hajar Tylli ki Jingtyrwa ki ba wan sha ketenat bat kumta na kaliang ke sorkar kadang hab ban bishar benya ya baro ki Jingtyrwa.
Okay, now we move on to next question. Question number 76, brought by Livingstone Kharpran. Sri Shakler Waziri, Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Honorable Speaker, sir, the reply to start question number 76. 1, sir, it is under consideration. 2, sir, it is under consideration. 3, sir, it is under consideration. 4, sir, it is under consideration. And 5, sir, it is under consideration.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Sport and Youth Affairs whether the concerned department has conducted survey and inspection to the project sites?
Sir, no, the survey has not been done. But like I said, since we have received the proposal, so the survey and estimates are yet to be done.
So when, sir, you will ask to conduct the surveys?
So I cannot assure or give you the right time of when the survey and estimates will be done, sir, because the Department of Sports, so we receive a lot of proposals. So there are thousands and thousands of proposals. So for me to give you the right, to give you a specific time would be wrong. But sir, then, but I assure the honourable member that survey and estimates will be done, sir.
So please.